I have a video that finally hit 1 million views on YouTube, and I'm so excited to share with you how much money I made from that video. It's actually my first video to hit 1 million views. 1 million freaking views. That's crazy. Mama, I'm rich. Now I'm going to tell you how much money I made from YouTube AdSense. Most people say, oh, this is how much YouTube paid me for a video that hit 1 million views. So I created the video. It's 11 minutes long and it's like one of my favorite topics, and I didn't even know because that topic was kind of new. I was just introducing it. I didn't know that video would perform that well. Only 90 seconds out of the 11 minutes are about the sponsor. I'm going to reveal how much the sponsor paid me, how much YouTube paid me, and then we are gonna do a summation and see how much value that video added to my bank account. Now, as we get started, please like this video. I'll be so grateful because it goes a long way, and that is the only thing I ask for. Simply hit the like button down here and this girl will be very grateful. Let's do this. So I am now on my computer and we are looking at that video, which currently has 1 million views. As you can see, it currently has 12.8 million impressions, and impressions are the total number of times your video thumbnail was shown to viewers since the video was published. So it was shown 12.8 million times. The impressions click-through rate is 5.7%, and this measure shows how often viewers watched a video after seeing an impression. So this is like when you see the thumbnail of my video and you click on it. So the impression click-through rate is 5.7%. Of course, it has 1.0 million views. Engagement, so it has 45.6 thousand watch hours. The average view duration is 2 minutes 44 seconds, and it's gotten me, or rather it's added 23,300 subscribers to my channel. So 23,000 of my subscribers subscribed to me through this video. So fascinating. The top geography, this is like where most of the viewers are. As you can see, most people, let's say 27% are from Kenya, 19% are from Nigeria, 11% are from South Africa, and 5% are from Ghana. In fact, if we expand this, you'll see more. So I like my channel because it's very diverse in terms of the locations people watch it from. Ghana 5%, Uganda, you can see Zambia, you can see the UK, which is 2%, you can see Zimbabwe, you can see Tanzania, Namibia, Botswana. Now, what ages are my viewers, the ones who watched this video? So as you can see, majority of the people who watched this video are between 25 years and 34 years, which is amazing because that's where I am now. That's my bracket, followed by peeps between 18 years and 24 years, which is more amazing if you ask me, because this means young people actually are curious and they're interested in financial freedom and they want to actually chase it and not wait for anyone to solve their problems for them. And I love that, and I wish I was watching me when I was like 20 years, because I got wind of online jobs at around 2021 and I was lost for a long time. So if I had found me, I'd be so grateful. I think I'd be very far now. But yeah, so 18 to 24 years, kudos, you are on the right track. And followed by peeps who are between 35 and 44 years, and yeah, the rest are not so many. And I'm so grateful to all my viewers, regardless of age, gender, and this surprises me every time. Most of them, 71%, are female. Only 29% are male, and I fail to understand why this is so. Is it because females are more interested in entrepreneurship? I don't understand. I wish I could. I would expect it to be like 50-50, 50% male, 50% female, but majority of them being female, that's a mystery. I need to find out why. Are you men not interested in financial freedom? I don't know, just let me know. And by the way, before I show you how much money I earned, I want you to know that I'm not making this video so I can brag. I want to show you how this girl, if you've watched my story, has managed to pull this off. When I started this channel, I never in a million years ever thought I'd get here. Like I always say, starting this channel was so impulsive, and I'm so grateful that this is where I am, and I feel like this is something worth sharing. I don't know what it means for you, but I hope it's something positive. So don't take it as bragging, take it as inspiration or motivation. So revenue, finally, let's see how much money this girl made. Drum rolls, please. So I earned a total of £3,293.7 from this video. And let me just clear this up. They don't wait for you to get to like 1 million views to pay the money out. You get this money in bits. So every month you get an amount. So if your video makes £300 in a month, you get paid in that month. So this is just an accumulation, how much I have made since I published it, which is £3,293.7. Let's break down this further. It has 999.1 thousand ad views. This is the number of times people watched the ads on that video, not the number of times people watched the video, because some people watch videos and they skip ads and they are not counted. So you get paid when someone watches the ad. The ads were watched 999.1 thousand views, or rather that is the amount of views I got from the ads, and I got paid £3.3 for every 1,000 views. So that is what they call RPM, which is revenue per mille. On YouTube, there's something called CPM, and as you can see, the CPM for this video is £5.64. CPM is cost per mille. This is the amount of money an advertiser pays for the ad to be shown on your video. So they will pay £5.64. The creator whose video is showing the ads will actually get £3.3. The difference is, I think, how much money YouTube gets. So that is the difference between CPM and RPM. CPM is what the advertiser pays, and RPM is how much you actually get to pocket from that amount. All factors considered, I feel like the CPM for this video is pretty good. Now, if I made this video in September, 8th September 2022, before I came to England, and before you all say, oh, you made that amount of money because you're in England, let's see how much money I made between September and December when I came to England. So we are gonna do a custom filter. You see, between September and December 2022, I had made £1,941 when I was still in Kenya. So let's see how much money I made on this video from the time I came to England to now. From 27th of December last year to yesterday, 22nd of September, I made a total of £1,356.6, which, as you can see, I made more money when I was still in Kenya. So that's how much money I made from this video from YouTube AdSense. So the £3,293 to USD is $4,031 USD. The sponsor paid me a total of $1,375 USD to make this video. I remember that time I was charging around $750 per mention, and what I made on top for it to amount to $1,375 were bonuses. So in total it was $1,375. If we sum that, $4,031 USD and $1,375. So the amount of money I earned from this video was $5,406. Now that converted to pounds is £4,417, and if I convert it to Kenya shillings, that's a total of 785,000 Kenyan shillings. The bottom line here is it works. It's good business if you do it right, and I am so humbled that 1 million people found my video useful and they actually clicked on it and they watched it, and I hope out of the 1 million, majority of them found it useful and it added some value to their lives in one way or another. I know I started joking of how famous I am and how rich I am, but I do this for two reasons. first I care about educating, and then I know I will make money. So I won't lie to you that I'm doing this and money is not a factor. Money is a factor, and I'm so glad that the effort pays off. I just hope that every video you watch from this channel adds value. I'm well aware that the amount of money people make from videos that have gotten to 1 million views varies, because there are so many factors to consider, like the type of content. So different types of content have different CPMs. There's also the geographical location. Like, I know for sure, my knowledge, I hope I'm not wrong, that when you have viewers from the UK, the US, Canada, Australia, and those high economic areas, if I can call them that, your CPM and RPM is higher compared to someone whose viewers are, let's say, in India or Kenya or Nigeria or Uganda. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I know for sure that's how it works. You see, there are so many factors that come into play, and that is what makes the amount of money each creator makes from a video that has gotten to 1 million views so different. I watched a Kenyan YouTuber recently who was making the same kind of video, telling people how much money she made from one of her videos that had hit 1 million views. In fact, it had like 1.2 million, and she'd earned only $617. So you see, it varies. And I know I have watched videos where someone was talking about how he made £5,000 from one of his videos that had gotten to 1 million views. So people can make whatever amount. I feel like the bottom line to every video that talks about how much money they made is it's good business. If you wanna do it, do it. Obviously, it will take some time. It's not an easy path. Contentpreneurship is not that easy, especially right now on YouTube, because the platform has grown. There are so many creators and everyone wants attention, and we are all just trying our best to get views, and it's difficult, but for me, I think it's worth it. So create videos and start where you are, and hopefully one day you'll be making such a video and you'll send the link to me so I can watch it if I don't know you, and if I do, congratulations in advance. I really hope you found this video helpful. I know I was so excited making it. I hope I looked excited. Do I look excited? I don't know what you will draw from this video, but I hope you draw inspiration. I hope you draw motivation. I hope you draw courage to just start whatever it is you want to start. Life is too short to dilly-dally any longer. And if you did find it helpful, give it a thumbs up. You know how important that is to me. Simply hit the like button and I'll be smiling even more. If you want to know how to make money online, where to get online jobs, small businesses you can start online with zero investment or little investment. If you want to know about the opportunities that exist in the digital economy, then you are in the right place. This is your channel. Subscribe and share this content with your friends and family. Remember, it's not just financial freedom for you only, it's financial freedom for everybody. So share, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.